Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can limit phone call, FaceTime and messages to contacts only during screen time on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on screen time. Now in here, scroll down and then tap on communication limits. Next, tap on during screen time. Now from the list here, tap on contacts only. So that allow one-on-one and group conversations only with people in your contacts. So you can see here, if I go to my phone application and if I try to dial in a phone number that is not in my contact, it will restrict me and it will present a communication limit restriction. And I say here, this particular number is not in your contacts. Your screen time settings only allow you to communicate with contacts only. And that means if I tap on contacts and if I try to call someone from my contact in here, I can do so. I can send them a message and I can call them. So I can call this number. So I can call that number. However, if a phone number is not in that contact, I will be restricted. And that is how you can restrict phone call, FaceTime and messages to contacts only during screen time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.